Hello everyone and welcome to another Investillionaire special. In this video we'll be taking a look at a project that we are super excited about and that we think has a great long-term potential, and that is the Vechain project and the VET token, as well as our price forecast for it. But before we start, like always, we kindly invite you to go ahead and join our growing community and family by smashing the like button, subscribing to the channel, and hitting the notification bell button as well. Now let's go ahead and get started. So here we are on CoinMarketCap and we're trying to see what Vechain project is all about. So scrolling down, we see what is Vechain VET. Vechain is a blockchain-powered supply chain platform begun in 2015 and launched in June 2016. Vechain aims to use distributed governance and Internet of Things technology to create an ecosystem which solves some of the major problems with supply chain management. So Vechain, it's mostly focused on supply chain management problems. The platform uses two in-house tokens, VET and VTHO, to manage and create value based on its Vechain Thor public blockchain. The idea is to boost the efficiency, traceability, and transparency of supply chains while reducing costs and placing more control in the hands of individual users. So, very interesting project. What makes Vechain unique? Vechain exists to disrupt traditional supply chain models, an industry which before blockchain had remained little changed over the decades. Using transparent technology with no single point of weakness or control allows for greater security, efficiency, and ease of tracking products in a given supply chain while reducing costs through trustless automation. So basically, Vechain, they're trying to solve a big problem in supply chain management, and that is, how do you verify that the goods that you receive are actually coming from their origin to their destination? And that is the use of this blockchain technology. So Vechain's model appeals to businesses looking to reduce supply chain friction and give more transparent impression to clients. So let's say you're buying medication, and you want to verify that you're actually getting this medication from a specific place. This is how you do it using their blockchain. Vechain's official literature notes that its unique proposition lies in its dual token setup. Among other features, in-house token fees combined with charges for various services to generate operating income for the company, while token holders can engage in activities such as staking, providing liquidity in return for some rewards. So the Vechain network uses a proof of stake and proof of authority consensus mechanism. And now let's go ahead and take a look quickly into the tokenomics for this coin. So the coin right now is sitting at around $12 per token. And also we do see that the market cap right now is around $7.7 billion. We do see also the trading volume of 1 billion in the last 24 hours. And we do see the circulating supply of 64 billion tokens. And also we do see the max supply of 86 billion tokens that are going to be available. So now taking a look at the price, we do see that the price right now, almost for all cryptocurrencies, is at a discount. And we believe that this is a good entry point for the people who are looking for the game, for the long-term game. So this can be an amazing opportunity to get in at this price, just under 12 cents. And we can see also the all-time highs and all-time lows for this token. So we do see that the all-time lows was 0.001, and that was almost a year ago. And also we do see the all-time highs, which was 2 months ago at around 27 cents. So as you can see right now, it's already at a 56% discount if you get in now. We do believe that this can go absolutely parabolic. And keep in mind that maybe even if this bull market is done, it's not over yet. There we're going to get more. We're going to get another bull market, just we don't know when. So right now you can be actually getting it at a very, very discounted price. Just keep that in mind while researching this project. So also for this coin, it's available on Binance, so it's a very big project. It's here to stay. They're not gonna be running away anytime soon. So this gives us more credibility, more assurance on getting into this token. So now let's go ahead and dive deeper a little bit into their website to get more info on this project and why we believe it has a long-term potential to explode in price. So let's take a look at their website, which is vechain.org. So right now we're at their website, Vechain Thor, the public blockchain that derives its value from activities created by members within the ecosystem solving real-world economic problems. So the good thing that we like is if you check their GitHub account, GitHub page, where they have all the repositories that they use for coding. What we like is that it's being updated, frequently. You see the updates 13 hours ago, 2 days ago. So they're actively working on this project, and that is a very good news for us. We don't want to invest in a project that nobody is working on, that is kind of stagnant. We like these projects that are constantly, evolving. People are contributing to these projects and are still work in progress, because that's what's gonna give us the growth. So that's just one thing that we would like to mention. And now scrolling down, we do see also that they have an application hub. So you can explore the applications and the information built on the Vechain Thor blockchain. So taking a look into that, we do see they have several applications that are being developed right now. So you can take a look at these applications on your own time to see what kind of projects are being developed using this blockchain. So we do see, for example, they have some token transfers applications. Also, they have some other inspector tools for interacting with the smart contracts. They have an exchange, a decentralized exchange, and many other projects that are being developed. So also we took a look at their developer info section, which is basically a place for the developers to get info on getting started with this project or to integrate this project. So we took a look into it. However, we found that the documentation is not good enough yet. I think it's still in the very early stages, so that's not a good sign actually for this project. We would like to see more detailed and thorough documentation. However, for the time being, their documentation is still very limited and basic, so that's gonna be a problem for the blockchain developers and application developers that would like to integrate this platform or to use this technology and blockchain technology in their own applications. However, this can change. As you know, cryptocurrency field is still a growing and emerging field, so we need to see more progress on this documentation side, because for now not much is going on there, and we'll continue to monitor the situation and see if the documentation improves, because that can be a big factor in adoption. So an adoption means what? Price going up. So also what we do see is they have some bounty programs usually for people, and they do have an application vVote for decentralized voting. And also now scrolling down, we do see the main consensus mechanism that is used by Vechain, which is the proof of authority consensus mechanism. So basically they have some authority nodes that are going to be validating the transactions. So this what it achieves, it reduces the number of computation power required to achieve the consensus mechanism. So that's just one way to reach consensus. You have proof of stake, proof of authority, many others. And now also the governance model that they have actually a committee that is working for this project. So you have a steering committee, and that's always good because you need experienced people that are gonna guide this project and put the project in the direction that is in the best interest of all the stakeholders, all the investors. So they have a steering committee. They also have an advisory board that's going to help with the design, the implementation, and the vision of Vechain. So with that being said, we do believe this project has a huge potential. Now you can see also the ecosystem that they have. So obviously it's good for developers, for startups, for researchers, also for the community investors, and for enterprises. So many enterprises can leverage these blockchain Vechain technology to build their enterprise applications to improve their operational and capital efficiencies. So a lot of companies might be willing to adopt this technology because it can solve them a lot of problems in terms of their management of their product. So that's why we believe this project is here to stay for the long term. Now, remember guys, this is not financial advice. We are not financial advisors. This video is made only for entertainment and educational purposes, and you should always do your own due diligence and your own research before investing into any asset class. And the purpose of this video is only to provide you with information on our opinion of how the market is going and on the projects that we find interesting to get into. And this is one of the projects that we believe you can get into it for the long term and you can get absolutely amazing returns, especially given now that the price is dropped. So this can be a great opportunity. Of course, it's up to you to make the decision which coins to hold. However, we'd like to help you out by just pointing you in the right direction, and you always get to make your own decisions. And with that being said, guys, we hope that you enjoyed this video, and we will see you in the next one. Goodbye.